Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I decided to use the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper, and I paired it with the stamp set Beautiful Autumn because it's autumn or fall, and I decided, and Canadian Thanksgiving is October the 12th, so this is really timely for me and my customers that, we do some autumnal cards. I didn't really have I used up a lot of my papers for autumn. So the Forever Greenery is at least leafy, and I included a ribbon in this month's card kit. I struggled with this bow. I'm sure you're going to do a lot better. With the sentiment from the Beautiful Autumn, of course, if you don't have this particular stamp set, you can substitute to any greeting that you would like. I decided to use this one, and I decided to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink. On this rectangular piece of Whisper White, I'm applying some Stampin' Seal. I'm using the plus. I don't know why I just grabbed it. This is a little rectangle of Pretty Peacock. And my little trick is, if I'm even on 3 sides, that I'm most likely going to be even on the 4th side. So there's a little trick for you. And of course, this Designer Series paper, oh my gosh, say that 12 times, has 2 sides. So I get to choose which side I am going to use today. And of course, when you get this kit, there's a plethora of papers to choose from, and you have 4 different papers to choose from, basically two pieces of paper, and you can turn them around, whichever one you like, whichever one you fancy. So this is Soft Sea Foam. It is a lovely green, and I decided to do something a little different, just a slight variation on the normal layout. I will show you the normal layout in a minute. I put dimensional adhesive behind my Pretty Peacock. And then this is where my little layout, I boldly went where no one has gone before. And I decided to just show off a little bit of the Designer Series paper because, hey, we have a Designer Series paper sale going on for the month of October. I'm going to show you some of the papers that are coming up, and then I'm going to show you the stills for this card kit. So again, you are going to tie your little bow much better than I tied this one. You have, I think, 8 or 9 inches of ribbon that I put in the kit, and of course, in the kit, you have 2 examples, so you have 2 different ribbons, and I tried to mix up the paper for you so that you would have varying cards. This would be the alternative layout, and then this would be the regular layout. So it's up to you which one you choose, which ribbon you have, that sort of thing. I want to thank you for shopping with me, and I want to remind you of the Designer Series paper sale. It's from the 1st to the 31st of October, and I'm going to get the Snowflake Splendor Designer Series paper, so that's on my list. I'm also going to get some more of the Greenery Designer Series paper here, and that poinsettia, this one here, the Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper, that's the one I'm going to get. So check my blog. I have buttons for all of the papers. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.